Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to see how to work on React.js. What is React? React is a front-end JavaScript library developed by Facebook in March 2013. Before going to React, we have to have some knowledge on HTML, CSS, Angular, JavaScript, and NPM. NPM is nothing but Node Package Modeler. What is React? React is mainly open source library which is used by everyone to develop an application without any license, and components based for developing an user interface. So it is not a framework especially for viewport in application. Yes, React creates a single page application layering the views on user interfaces. So what is single page application? Single page application is nothing but web page that interact with the website by dynamically rewriting the current web page with new data from the web server. So it loads an entire web page. So after we loading the entire web page, we do not need to hit the server. So the goal for the single page application is to make a website more likely a native application. So example for single page application is, example we can take Instagram comments. Here we have three comments. So whenever the user load a comments in Instagram, the same template will be repeated. So once the in HTML, whenever we have to create in three HTML pages for these three commands. In React.js, when we can use same template for all the three commands. So this is a single page application. So the second one is cross platform. So it will work on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So third one is native app. What is native app? Native app is nothing but once we install directly on smartphone and work on it, in the most of cases we do not need of internet connectivity. So it is called as native app. We are going to see what is different between HTML and React.js. In HTML, whenever the user requests a web pages from the server, it will return that corresponding web page. Like example, uh, here the user requests an index.html, the server will respond only index.html. Likely in React.js, whenever the user requests a web page, it will return bundle of JS files. So in the bundle of JS files, we have entire web pages. We are going to see why we need of npm here. So npm is nothing but Node Package Manager for setting an environment for React.js. In this package manager, we have lot of packages for creating an user interfaces. So that we are going for npm. For creating a React.js application in your system, we need of Node.js and npm. So now we are going to see how to install Node.js in your system. For downloading and installing Node.js, now we are going to see how to download the Node.js in your system. So for downloading the Node.js, you have to go for nodejs.org. Here we can find the Node.js the website. Here the Node.js latest version will be available. Make use of it and download the Node.js version before you are going to create a React.js application. Once you install the Node version, check for availability of Node in your current PC. So for that, open your command prompt and check for Node version. Sorry. So I have downloaded the Node 14.15.4 version. So before going to create an React.js application, you must download the Node version on your PC. Next, we are going to step to creating a project. To install the Create React app, we have to install npm install /g create React app. So it will take some time to create an npm on your system. So now the npm install slash g create a react app will be completed. So it is up. I already installed this create react app, so it will updated with one package. So instead we are going to create a react project. So for this we have to use this command npx create react app and name of your project. Here example I am giving app. It took some time. So the my here see like creating a new react app in user on my pc app. So going to this folder you can see app react app. So it will took some time to create a react app on your pc. So now the project is created with 129 126 packages for looking performance, and here we can see happy hacking, and we have to move to here we have to move to our project folder first. So my project folder is app, so cd app. Before going to start our project you have to open our project in local. So for that I am using Visual Studio 2019 community. So open a local folder. So we have to navigate to our created app. So I am creating in my desktop. So app. So select this folder, open. So my local project is opened. Inside this source file we have the index.html and app.js. So index dot so here we are rendering the project. So now we are going to build the project using command prompt. So next npm start. So I am building my project on server, deployment server on local. Now my project is starting the deployment server. So once the starting the deployment server will done, it will open a browser with localhost 3000. So my React project will be opened. So in my next video, we are going to explore this project. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.